Okay, so I have my pattern pieces cut out. This is the little Lizard King. I think it's Pasadena pattern here. Cute little knit stretchy fabric. This is the doodle fabric, y'all know. I got like a little thing for it because it's always on sale. All right, so we have our pants leg here. This is our cuffs and our waistband here. So let's get started. Okay, so let's grab our pants leg here. We're gonna put them right sides together. Alright, I'm gonna put these right sides together, and what we're gonna do, I am going to pin along both leg sides here, on both sides here. I will also pin along the crotch seam here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's take this to the machine and do a 1/2 inch seam allowance using your stretch stitch. Okay, so I got it turned right side out. I went ahead and serged both my raw ends on the crotch and both side seams. Now let's put this to the side and grab our cuffs. Okay. So grab your cuff piece, and you know what? We're also going to do this. I'm gonna also bring in my waistband, okay? Because it's about the same method, okay? It's the same method. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take our cuff piece, grab one, and we're going to put those right sides together, okay? And we're gonna pin. Okay, so what you'll need to do is take this to your machine, do a 1/2 inch seam allowance along these where you have your pins using a stretch stitch, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have sewn my waistband and my cuffs together. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to open up my waistband here and press open this center seam here. Okay, my seam, and I'm going to fold it over to make my waistband. Okay. All right. And I'll do the same thing for my cuffs here. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to attach my waistband. Let's quarter off our waistband, okay? Here, where that seam that we made there, that's our back. So if you have pins or clips, you can use that. So we're going to say that's our back. Fold it. Front. Match those two together to get our sides. Okay, let me find the center. I'm going to find the center of my front and back of my pants here. I'm going to use my pen, and I'm going to mark because I have it folded in half. And there we go. So I found the center of my pants here, okay? All right. Take your waistband, and here is the back of my waistband here. I'm putting it over. So just like this. Okay, and I have the center, I have the front of my waistband here, I have the front of my pants here, and I'm going to match the front of my waistband and that mark that I just made. Just like this. And now where my side seam here, I'm going to match this with the side of my waistband. And the waistband is going to be smaller, and that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. So then it can have, you know, get a little snug. It's supposed to be smaller than the pants here. And I match my other side here. Just like that. Now we're just going to just slightly stretch our waistband all the way around. So I have my waistband here pinned, okay? So let's just go ahead and add our cuffs also. So take your cuff piece, and we're gonna put those right side together, raw ends, the raw end here, okay? Will be out. And I'm going to take the cuff part where my seam, and I'm going to put this on the inside of my, I'm gonna match that with my cuff piece here. I'm going to match it with my pants. And I'm going to pin. Okay, and stick my cuff in here. My pants in, and I'm going to pin. And I'll just slightly stretch this all the way around to get my cuffs, okay? And I'll do that for my other. Okay, so I'm just going to take this to the machine and use a stretch stitch to attach my cuffs and my waistband. I will also go ahead and serge off all my raw ends. We're done. Super cute. I love this. This is so freaking adorable. Super easy. Like, this is the easiest pair of, I don't want to call them leggings, but pair of like pants ever, and they will be super comfy. They also have an option on here where if you don't want to do the cuff, you can just lengthen it. It has a lengthened, you know, piece of the pattern where you can just do a regular hem. Like, y'all know how I feel about knit, so I'm just here for all of this, every bit of it. Look at the little dog. I got them upside down though. Check it out. So cute. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And I want to see you make some of these things. Like, this is super cute. So if you are in the Little Lizard King Facebook group, look, post them. Let me see. Hashtag Mila made me do it. Or just tag me. Jessica Dukes Vaughn. I'm hauling up. Thanks for watching. See ya.